my darlings, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well. If you're new here, my name is Adrij and I'm a lover of all things fabulous, honey. I love fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So if you love that too, then make sure you stick around. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram where I share loads of fashion tips and all things fabulous too, okay? So guys, in today's video, we are doing my spring cleaning, wardrobe clear out, bedroom clear out, you name it. Things has been getting really hectic lately. I have a lot of things that sent through, so I need to get rid of a lot of things that I don't wear anymore and a lot of things that are just lying around and I'm not paying attention to. So in today's video, I will be decluttering. I will be getting rid of anything that I've not worn in the last 5 months because clearly I don't enjoy it anymore. I will be selling some things on Depop and I will be giving some away to family and friends, and I'll also be donating some as well. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. As you can see, I'll show you how messy everything is right now, because last night I was like, you know what, I can't be bothered to clear up because I wanted to do everything with you guys today. Just to make the video short, I won't go into too much details, but yeah, I'll show you enough to kind of see what's going on. So let's get into today's video. So I just literally got rid of all my winter shoes. I don't actually have a lot of winter shoes, and the space I have here for my shoes is actually quite limited anyway. So I think what I will do is put my sandals out, and I'm out of breath. And then what I'm going to do now is go through my clothes and take out anything that I don't want anymore. I have a massive box outside which is already packed full of clothes, which means I'll be adding more things onto it. And hopefully I'll have the energy to go through add things to my Depop today as well. That would be really good. So yeah, I'm gonna go through the clothes now. Okay guys, so just a quick update. I'm literally just emptying out all the drawers and only keeping the things that I actually wear. So I'm only just keeping the things that I actually wear, because I'm going to show you in a second. You'll see that I have a lot of clothes and I just ain't got space for these anymore. And don't forget that I also have another built-in wardrobe that's full of clothes as well, which I need to go through. It's now 5 o'clock. I think I'm going to be here all night doing this, because if I leave it for another day, it's just not going to happen, because after this I need to tackle my makeup. With the moving, I just need to get rid of all these things so that when the time comes and I find a nice place, I can just literally just take the things that I use and not everything, you know. So yeah, just wanted to update you quickly. So let's get back into it. I'm hungry, but I don't know if I should take a break to eat, because if I eat I'll get really tired. So I don't know, let's just continue. So guys, so far this is the bag with all the things that I'm gonna sell, and I've put 2 bags out there. For one's going to charity, one is going to my dad, and then I have all these things to sort out. Yeah, so this is where we are so far. I'll just show you. So this is what I've done. I've put my summer stuff here, but I'm going to switch it up and organize it differently. I'm going to bring the white to the start and then black at the end, and then colors in between. I'm going to get rid of all the jumpers here, put them at the bottom there. I've got space right there at the bottom there, and then get rid of some bags. Maybe go through the shoes as well and get rid of some. So yeah, I've already taken out 3 pairs of sunglasses that I don't need. So yeah, let's continue. Gotta go. Hey guys, so this is like 2 days later because I finished really late the other day and I was super tired. Sorry about the noise, my dad's just wrapping something. I was so tired that I just couldn't continue with it anymore. Yesterday I had to go view an apartment, and when I got back I was so knocked out. I felt really tired and I couldn't continue with it. Had a shower, went to sleep. So today I'm gonna continue. I'll just show you guys what I've done so far. I'll just take you on a quick tour. So basically I got rid of a lot of shoes that were there. All my winter shoes that was there have now been stacked away. I've got 2 of my white pairs at the minute, but what I might do is just spread out everything so that they can look a lot more aesthetically pleasing. And I still need to arrange this and iron some of the clothes. I still need to arrange my blazers over here. I now have all my winter jumpers at the bottom there. I also have some jumpers at the back of my bags. That's more storage. And over here I have the same bags, but I'm going to change the layout and switch up the aesthetic a little bit, switch the bags around, and I'll obviously rearrange everything here as well. And then my fragrances, if you remember in my fragrance hauls, the layout was completely different. Now I have all my fragrances out on display because it's just easier. Remember before I was hiding them behind the clothes there, but now it is here. A bottle of water to stay hydrated. This is my latest one actually by Lancome. It was gifted to me, so thank you. It smells so nice. I cannot wait to do a spring fragrance haul or collection.